Hey everybody, Joe Casabona here, and today I am testing out the Audio Technica 3350IS omnidirectional lavalier condenser microphone. Basically, I had this lapel mic lying around from a set of whiteboard videos I was going to do and then ended up not doing them for a few reasons, but now that I have this new setup here, I was wondering if that might be more convenient than the Shure SM7B. Now, this microphone definitely sounds a lot better. It's going into my Universal Audio Aero, which is fine-tuned for my voice, but I was wondering if this was good enough to do talking head videos without a microphone being right in my face all the time. Now, I did a couple of test runs with this to make sure everything was working properly. I had to turn the gain or the audio level on the camera down a little bit because it was picking up too much white noise or room noise, and I was just a little bit too loud. But in general, this mic makes my voice sound a little bit muddy. So in the edit, what I'll do is, at this point, I will kind of stop putting my own software edits on the audio so you can kind of hear the difference, a compare and a contrast of what I had to do in software to sound a little bit better and then what the mic actually puts out. In contrast, I don't have to do anything to the Shure SM7B. It's all fine-tuned on the interface, which also serves as a preamp, so it's dialed in just right. I could just take that audio and put it right into my videos, which is great because I'm not much of an audio editor yet. I'd like to do a little bit more of that, but really I want to focus on creating content now. So anyway, this was just a quick test with the lapel mic. Now, I did look for it on Amazon, and it is out of stock. I don't know if Audio Technica is making it anymore. They might have replaced it with another option. What I was looking at, though, is the Rode Lav mic, or maybe it's called the Rode Lav Plus, which is a similar lapel mic. It's called the Rode Smart Lav. And it's nice. It looks really good. I know that like Pat Flynn has used it for his own podcast sometimes, and it sounds great. I don't know how much processing he's putting on that, but that's one that I might try because the wire is a lot shorter, and it can plug into like the Rode Wireless Go, which is a wireless receiver, right? So then I can have a wireless lav mic for the camera. And just to kind of swing the camera around here, you know, I have all this office space. I have some shelving over here, and I do have a tripod mount. So if possible, you know, I'd love to use more of the office, and having a good lapel mic or just a good mic in general that can connect right to the camera would be great, because then it gives me a little bit more flexibility. I'm not like kind of stuck right here, or the microphone's not in my face. So we'll see. I'll probably do some more testing. If you are interested in me trying out some sort of arrangement, or you have a recommendation, let me know in the comments down below. But if you liked this video, be sure to click the thumbs up down below and subscribe to this channel for more great content.